In this video, we will discuss Python Primer Part 2. We will discuss Python data types and typecasting. Data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Python has many data types built in by default in various categories. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value to a variable. You can get the data type of any object by using the type function. We can also specify the data type using the constructor functions as illustrated here. There are three numeric types in Python: integer, float, and complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. You can convert from one type to another with the int, float, and complex methods. However, we cannot convert complex numbers into another number type. Python does not have a random function. With random number, Python has a built-in module called random that can be used to make random numbers. Sometimes we want to specify a type for a variable. We can do this using typecasting. Python is an object-oriented language and it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. Therefore, casting in Python is done using constructor functions. Int constructor is used to create an integer number from an integer literal or from a float literal by removing all decimals. We can also cast an integer from a string literal, provided that that string represents a whole number. This is it for now. In next part I will discuss Python lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries. Thanks for watching.